Hey everybody, I'm back with another video. Last time I spoke to all the couples out there because it was Valentine's Day and there was a lot of security threats going on, and this time I'm talking to all the single people maybe, because this time I will be talking about porn and the different security threats and risks out there while watching porn. So one of the problems that we are seeing is that adult content is actually luring people to install applications and plugins and different kind of things that's actually malicious for your computer. I mean, while you're in the moment, you're not so keen of updating your Adobe Acrobat Reader or your browser or some other plugins. You just want to get going, right? So the bad guys take advantage of that, and they will offer different kind of plugins or something. And what we've seen is happening is that the person sitting behind the computer just accepts everything, just downloads stuff and just clicks on everything. And what they don't know is that what they're actually downloading is malicious and not good for your computer. It could be anything from a Trojan stealing information from your machine, credentials, files, fake antivirus software, also ransomware attacks we've seen being downloaded from adult content websites. Another thing that we're seeing as well is a lot of shady software being spread on adult websites, especially the fake antivirus that I just mentioned before. I mean, there's a lot of pop-ups saying, oh, you've won, or there's a good software, or download this security software. A lot of other things that we're seeing is credential harvesting. I mean, some of these adult websites, they will try to force you or trick you into logging in with your social media account. Could be your Facebook account, your Twitter account, Instagram account, or Google account. And my advice to you is not to do that. There's actually a lot of free porn out there. So if you actually want to watch that kind of material, don't try to log in with your accounts. Don't try to do that kind of stuff. There is a lot of risks while watching porn. Stick to the most popular websites, I would say. Another very good tip is to have some kind of protection against malicious code. Some kind of antivirus solution that will actually help you identify that malicious plugin or that malicious software, or if the website is not good for you. Have some happy times on the internet, but be careful.